Hi, I'm Miss Patty, a teacher at Kids & Company, Lakeshore's on-site preschool. I want to share a tip for keeping preschoolers learning at home each day. I find that a daily schedule is one of the most important pieces of my classroom, and it's the first thing I introduce to my students. At this age, kids thrive on routine, and establishing a simple daily schedule lets little ones know what to expect. And it helps you plan each learning block so activities are ready to go when you need them. Here's an example of a schedule I use with my class. Our day includes lots of different activities and transitions, but your schedule can be much simpler if that's better for working with your preschooler at home. When creating your schedule, start by thinking about wake-up time, eating time, and rest time. Fill in those times so you have your anchors. Next, plan time for learning blocks. It shouldn't be too long. 30 to 40 minutes is usually a good amount of time for each activity. I recommend planning one learning block in the morning and one in the afternoon. You also want to include some active playtime for either indoors or outdoors. Little ones need to move their bodies, and trust me, gross motor activity not only helps build their brain, but it also helps them focus on learning activities so much better. Finally, include a quiet reading activity or when it's time to calm down. Perfect to fit in right before rest time if that works for you. Once you've created your schedule, post it where your child can see it. Then you can use a clothespin or another marker to move down through the schedule as you accomplish each part. This helps motivate little ones and shows them what comes next. For example, sometimes it's good for kids to see that lunch isn't until after playtime. So try to stick to your schedule, and soon you and your preschooler will be looking forward to each part of the day. We love to see what you're doing. What's your daily schedule? Post a photo or video on social media with hashtag #LearnWithLakeshore. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel to see more. We'll be posting some fun, easy activities to help you plan your learning time. Come back to visit us and check them out.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.